Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on DOOGEE S100. So to enter recovery mode on this phone you have to start with powering it off. And now when your phone is powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And here in this mode you have to use volume up button to navigate and volume down to select OK. So move to recovery mode and then press volume down. And click volume down again. And you are now in recovery mode. And here you have to navigate by using volume buttons and select by using power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.